Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Vibe Blender to make yourself some buttercream frosting. It's going to save you a bunch of time, a bunch of dishes, and it's just another great way to use your Vibe Blender at home. I'm going to make a really simple buttercream today. I've got our butter, of course, some powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. You could color it, you could add cocoa powder, or you could add other flavors as well. We're going to get straight into it. Everything goes into the blender jug at once, starting with 2 tablespoons of milk, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of softened butter, and 3 cups of sifted icing sugar. Select smoothie mode and set the speed to speed 1. Press start and then slowly increase the speed to speed 4, blending for approximately 40 seconds. Stop the blender and have a look. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides and under the blades. Then continue to blend on speed 4 for a further 10 to 20 seconds or until fluffy and creamy. So that's all done. In less than 2 minutes, I have a really fluffy buttercream ready to go straight from the blender jug to my cake. So there you go. Who knew you could make buttercream in a blender jug in less than 2 minutes? Well, now you know, and you can do it for yourself at home. Make sure you check out the blog post for this recipe because there are a couple of really important tips and tricks to make sure that you nail it every single time. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any recipes to come in the next few weeks. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us and we'll be back really soon.